Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'Shem, Yahweh Shai Ba'Shem, Okakadash, and the Heavenly Father. True name is Yahweh, and His unbegotten Son, Ba'Shem, and the name of Mashiach Yahweh Shai. Those are their true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, the Lost One Kadash Holy Tongue. I say Barakatham to the elders, Wa'akim Akwaf, and I say Shalom. And this is a sit-down lesson of the latest earthquakes in diverse places as of September 19th, 2024, on Thursday. And you had a recent earthquake in the Kermadec Islands that was a 5.7 magnitude of an earthquake. Then you had one over there in China that was a 4.9 magnitude of an earthquake. And let's see some more. And there was a 5.0 earthquake over there in Indonesia. And then you had a recent earthquake in Tonga that was a 5.7 magnitude of an earthquake. And then a couple of days ago, you had an earthquake over there in Romania, the outskirts of Romania, that was a 5.2 magnitude of an earthquake. And then a 5.5 magnitude of an earthquake outskirts of Japan. And just like those recent earthquakes on Monday over there in Texas, that was a 5.1 magnitude of earthquake. Texas shaken by an earthquake among the biggest in state history. Right, 5.1 magnitude earthquake in West Texas fell in downtown San Antonio on Monday evening. Texas rocked by one of the strongest earthquakes in state histories. Right, as the visitation from the Heavenly Father, like it says in 2nd Ezra 9 verse 2, Isaiah 29 verse 6 as well too. Since mention that, bring out the scriptures. It's the book of Luke. It's the book of Luke 21 verse 11. And great earthquake shall be in diverse places, and famines and pestilence and fearful sights and great signs shall be from heaven. Right, so fearful sights and great signs shall be from heaven. And that's the visitation from the Heavenly Father, Yahweh Himself. And great earthquakes in diverse places. Right, high magnitude increasing of earthquakes in diverse places, increasing famines and increasing pestilence as well too. Because you got, the two different categories of the pestilence and plagues. With the chloria outbreak, the measles outbreak, the mpox outbreak, the triple E outbreak, and the different categories of pestilence plagues with the weather conditions, the tornadoes, the earthquakes, landslides, floodings, the famines, the pestilence plagues, and etc. This is 2nd Ezra, chapter 9, and verse 2. Then thou shalt understand it is a very same time wherein the highest, which is Yahweh, will begin to visit the world which He made. Right, so that visitation from the Heavenly Father, Yahweh Himself. Verse 3, 2nd Ezra 9, verse 3, and it reads, it says, and therefore when there shall be seen earthquakes, uproars, people the world. Right, so increasing earthquakes, increasing uproars of people the world. And this is Psalms 18 and verse 7. Yep, this is in the book of Psalms 18 and verse 7. Then the earth shook and trembled. The foundations also, the hills were moved and were shaken because it was rough. Right, that's from visitation from the Heavenly Father, Yahweh. This is Isaiah 29 and verse 6. Thou shalt be visited of Yahweh of hosts, with storms and tempests, and a flame devouring fire. Slakia. Prophet Isaiah 29 verse 6. I'm going to read that again. Thou shalt be visited of Yahweh of hosts, with thunder and with earthquake, and great noise, and storms and tempests, and flame devouring fire. And this is that Isaiah 28? Oh yeah, this is Isaiah 28 verse 2. Behold, Yahweh hath a might, a strong one which as a tempest of hell and a destroying storm, as a flood and the mighty waters overflowing, shall be cast down to the earth and what the hand, right? That's from the visitation from the Heavenly Father Yahweh himself. So with that, hopefully this sit down lesson was edifying of the latest of the earthquakes in diverse places as of September 19th, 2024 on Thursday. So with that, I would like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Ba'Hashem, Yahweh Shai Ba'Hashem Kakadash, and the Heavenly Father, true names of Yahweh, and His unbegotten Son, Ba'Hashem, and name Hamashiach Yahushai. Those are their true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, the Lashmore Kadash, the tongue. And I say Barakatham to the elders, Barakim Akwaf. Until next time, I will say Shalom.